Today I am going to explain and analyze Bird's opening from Gambit part 2. I am going to explain chapter 4, 1 to 4. This is chapter 1. Okay, please watch until finish this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Okay, first let's go to F4 opening, Bird's opening, E5, Bird opening from Gambit. This called F cross E5, D6, E cross D6. Okay, attack the pawn and bishop cross D6. Bishop cut the white pawn. Then knight F3. Now knight go to outside, white knight. Then knight F6. Black perfection right now. Then knight C3. Okay. Then black castling, beautiful castling make black. Then E4, rook E8. Rook E8. Okay. Now pin the pawn. Okay. Then D3. Black defend the pawn. Okay. Another move. Knight G4. Okay, you can see right now what's happening going to be. Another move is bishop E2. Okay, then knight goes H2. He cannot cut the knight, so knight goes H2. Yeah, rook cannot cut. The knight cut the knight, black knight. Then bishop G3 and we will check. Okay, now king go to F1. Then you can see right now queen D4. Then black resign this game because you can see right now why black resign, but white resign this game. Now another move of black come here and checkmate. The white cannot defend the check. That's why white resign this game. Black going to win this game. That's it. This is chapter 1. We can go now chapter 2, part 2. Okay. Hello everyone. This is chapter 2. Black wins white checkmate in 11 moves. Only 11 moves black won checkmate by checkmate. Okay. First move, F4, bird opening, E5, bird opening from Gambit, F cross E5, D6, E cross D6, bishop cross D6. Okay, then knight F3, knight F6, develop the pieces. Then D4, knight E4. Okay, after that, C4, then castling. Black beautiful casting right now. Then E3 pawn, go to E3. After that, rook go to E8. Okay, now defend the knight and next move, queen C2. Attack the knight. After that, bishop go to G4. Okay, now if take the knight, he cannot take, and H3. Okay, now queen H4 and we will check. Okay, now you can see in 2 moves, black wins white checkmate. Okay, knight cross H4, cut the queen, then bishop G3 and we will check. After that, queen go to F2, block the check and cut the bishop, queen with white, black bishop. That's it. This is beautiful checkmate with black, white, black. Black wins white checkmate, chapter 2. We can go now with chapter 3, part 2. Okay, that's it. Hello everyone, this is chapter 3. White resign in 10 moves. I am going to explain and analyze why white resign in 10 moves. First move, F4, E5, f plus c5, d6, e cross d6. Bird opening from Gambit. Bishop cross d6, knight f6, knight f3 and sorry. Now knight f3. Okay, after that black knight go to f6, d4, knight g4. Then knight go to c3, bishop cross h2, then bishop go to g5, attack the queen, then bishop g3 and we will check, then king go to d2. So now you can see f6 pawn is moved to attack the bishop. Bishop go to h4, then knight f2. Now poke the queen and rook. That's it. That's why another move. Queen go to c1 and wrap the rook. That's why white resigned this. Okay, we can go now chapter 4. Hello everyone. This is chapter 4. Why black resign in 9 moves. Okay, first move a4, bird opening from Gambit e5, f cross e5, d6, e cross d6, bishop cross d6, knight f3. After that, bishop go to g4, e3, queen f6. Okay, now another move, knight c3, then knight go to e7, then knight e4, attack the queen and poke the queen and bishop. Then bishop cross f3. Okay, if cut, knight cross f6 and we will check. So that's why this game is over right now. G cross f6, then queen cross f3. That's why black resigned this game. That's it. This is chapter 4. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, that's it.